login screen. This is the sign up screen. We can use the camera in this, the camera functionality. Upload the picture. Make your account. Uh, and sign up, and we get the nearby restaurants. We'll choose Stew Dublin Pizza restaurant. These are all the options we get. We can choose a pizza. We can choose the drink. The pizza plus the drink will add up here, and we can add notes. We can check where is the location here. And we can make a checkout. Sorry, we can check the location like this. Now, and we can make a checkout, and the order is done. We can check the orders, and we can see I ordered few things. Yes, and we can, it'll alert, do you want to leave this order? I can see yes. Here we go. So a wrong password, wrong username. Would not allow us to enter the thing. And if I say a wrong password, also would not allow us to enter the thing. So it would allow us to enter the thing.